preparations to upload this because I feel like it's a very nice song to listen to.
Mm-hmm.
Yes, it's because that it's about life beginnings. Like if you want to start fresh for this year, it's perfect. A perfect song to hear since there's a line saying to start a brand new.
Ano siya? What's it? Hearts and Bloom yan, title niyan? Tawa ko?
What?
Hearts and Bloom, ang
Yes.
title niya.
Yes.
Okay. Ikaw ba ano ba ang new beginning mo for this year?
Yes, this is perfect for a song for the beginning. I wrote it and of course.
Ikaw sumulat niyan? Ah, okay,
Yes.
it's good.
Yeah, and also the Purple Hearts Productions helped me with the music video. My coach helped me with the tune. Yeah, and of
Mm-hmm.
course the vocals.
Who's your coach? Sinong coach mo?
Coach Rachel po.
Rachel. Ano surname? Rachel ano?
I don't know.
Hindi mo alam. Okay. So ikaw, yung Hearts and Bloom na yan, ano nag-inspire sa'yo? Bakit mo nagawa? May problema ka ba, no? Malungkot ka ba, no? Ba't mo naisip gawin yan?
I just see it by my surroundings po. Like there's a saying like life is unfair. So yeah, that's why I made it so they can start fresh new and of course it's like helping you from your sorrow and pain. Of course, sometimes pain has a gift inside po.
Totoo naman din yan. Ikaw ba sa edad mo yan, you also experience pain already and sorrow na matitindi? Hindi naman.
How can I say this? Not really po, not really.
So, na-inspire ka rin sa nararamdaman ng ibang tao. Sa nakikita mong pinapagdaanan ng mga tao sa paligid mo. Is that, yun ba yun?
Opo.
Isa sa reason yun.
Opo.
Bigyan mo lang ako ng konting background. Ano? Nag-aaral ka ba? Saan ka nag-aaral? Ilang taong ka na ba? How old are you?
9 years old po.
9 years old? And you're studying? Where?
And I'm turning 10 years old. Actually po, on July, on my 10th birthday, we will have a concert so you can interview me again my that day.
Oh, okay.
Yes.
How does it feel? What are your preparations for your concert? And
I'm
how excited you are for the
actually
upcoming?
so excited because I know there's gonna be like local celebrities to come and perform with me, and I'm so excited because it's my own concert.
Mm-hmm. Sino yung mga celebrity na alam mo magiging guest mo?
I'm not really sure, but my mom said there's a chance of Ate Gigi to
Gigi Delana?
Yes.
Okay. Galing ah.
Gigi Delana to come with me and perform.
Why do you choose? Bakit favorite mo ba si Gigi?
Yeah, she actually performed during Ate Kirai's wedding, and I loved her voice so much.
Si Ate Gigi mo. Yung mga songs niya, no? Ang ganda, no? Namit mo na siya ng personal?
Yes po.
How's the encounter? Kamusta naman siya? Is she nice? Is she
Yeah,
ano?
of course she's kind, and I love how she supports Ate Kirai during her wedding.
Question lang, how does it feel that your mom or your family is so supportive of you?
I feel happy, and of course I will support them as well to give back.
Mm. Is it really your dream to be a singer even though nung bata ka pa talaga?
Yes, of course. It's my dream to be a singer.
Bata ka pa lang ba? Gusto mo? Ilang taong ka nalaman mo na I really want to sing, I want to be a singer?
Not the best singer, but I just want to be a singer in life, or even a host.
Oh, wow, okay. That's good. Ilang taong ka nag-start na kumanta na?
I'm not sure. But,
Hindi mo alam, 5 taong ka ba nag-start ka na kumanta? You sing na already nung mga 5, 6 years old ka?
Oh yes, 5 yeah. 5 yes.
5. What are your favorite songs during that time? Siyempre mga
Like during when I'm 5 years old. It's called Pretty on the Inside and Let It Go. Of course.
Let It Go, kasi nga din ang uso ngayon eh, no?
Oh, yeah.
So, given the chance, aside from Ate Gigi, sino pa yung gusto mong makakolaborate? Sa mga kapwa mo batang singers, yung mga batang singers ngayon eh. Meron ba?
I'm not sure for the rest, but I'm really hoping that Regine Velasquez will come and perform with me.
Ang Ate Regine, bakit mo gusto mo, why do you want to perform with Ate Regine?
Since I performed with Tito Ogie po, so I might want to perform with Tita Regine po.
Where did you perform with Kuya Ogie? What is the occasion?
I think it was like somewhere, but I know it was like far. I think it's kind of far from here, but
It's kind of what?
it's kind of far from here, Quezon City.
Okay. So what's the occasion? Is it a show? What?
I think it was a show. I'm not sure for the
For
location.
house experience, what's this? performing with Kuya OG Alcacid?
It was fun actually.
Hindi ka kinabahan? Siyempre, magagaling ng mga... Do you feel nervous during that time?
Of course, I did feel nervous.
How do you fight that nervous? How do you remove that nervousness?
I don't know. I just wanted to be myself.
Okay.
Yes.
Pero what are your music influence?
I'm not really sure, but let's just say like I got inspired by Beanie.
Bini.
Yeah, Beanie. Because they're P-pop and of course Katsai.
Ano pangalan? Sorry?
Katsai po.
Katsai.
Yes.
Is it what's that? P-pop? What?
International group po.
K-pop. Tama ba?
No, like Globe group.
Ah, okay. Are you studying right now? No, anak.
So, of course, I'm studying in first school po.
Saan ka nag-aral?
OB Montessori po.
Abi Montessori. Do you also have plan to be an actress or to enter acting? To try acting? Given the chance?
Yeah, I can. I hope.
You also want to be an actress aside from being a singer? Oh, gusto mo rin mag-artist. Do you attended any audition? Did you try?
Actually, I did, and they actually replied late, so it was too late. But it's okay because at least I have a great time to study for my school and
Yeah.
of course writing songs.
Okay. So you really love to write songs?
Yes.
Nakailan ka ng kantang naisulat? Is this your first time to write a song or may mga nasulat ka na even before?
Yeah, I wrote songs before like Birthday Love, Purple and Treat,
Ang galing, ah.
Kayong Dalawa Lang, Opo, Thank You po. Yeah, like
Talagang galing mo ha. Talagang that's just really talent, no? You really know how to compose. No, di ba? Okay. So yung Hearts in Bloom, saan siya mapakinggan? Spotify ba? Ano na ba? Naka-out na ba siya ngayon?
I think so po. You can find the music video on YouTube and the music on Spotify and Apple Music po.
Apple Music. Okay. Maraming salamat sa iyo. Thank you so much.
so
Thank you.
much.
Thank you.
Thank you so much. You're welcome.
Ano lang, kulang ko lang siya. Ay, kulang ko lang po. Pipicture na lang kita, anak, ha?